Hello, boys and girls. Let's look at our message for today. Ready? June 3rd, 2020. Dear students, today is a wonderful Wednesday to learn online. First, in reading, we will ask questions about a book to help us learn. Next, in writing, we will revise a story. Then we will enjoy songs. Later in math, we will model and solve story problems. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, so before we go ahead and start reading, I want to look at our message. So there are a couple things we're going to look for. The first thing is the capital letters. Are you ready? Let's start at the top, starting with the month of June. Ready? Let's underline that J. Then we have our greeting. What do you notice here? Dear students. Did you say the capital D? If you did, you are correct. And also the capital S. Let's look at our first telling sentence. Actually, it's an exciting sentence. Look at the exclamation point at the end. Do you remember how to make it? Remember? Pull down, dot, pull down, dot. Today is a wonderful Wednesday to learn online. I notice the T in today is capitalized. What else do you see that's capitalized? Look carefully. The day of the week, you're right. And what is the day of the week for today? It is Wednesday. Remember, capital W to start Wednesday, right? First, in reading, we will ask questions about a book to help us learn. Do you see this word first? What letter do you see here? You're right, it is an F. Okay, so we have a capital F for first. Next, in writing, we will revise a story. So we have the N in next. Did you see that capital there? If you did, nice job. As we continue, then we will enjoy songs. I see the T in then. Am I finished with all the capital letters? Oh, there's more. Where? The last sentence, you're right. Let's look at it. Later in math, we will model and solve story problems. So we have the L in this word later. And remember for the closing, we also have the L in love. And then remember, every name needs a capital letter. So we have the M for Miss and then the J for Joyner. Now, I want to look really fast to find some words. So I want to find these words. Look carefully. I want to find the word A. Okay, so we're going to look for A. We're also going to be looking for and. Okay, so we have A and then I want to look for in. Okay, so let's go ahead and look for those words. Let's go ahead. We have A and in. Let's start at the top. June 3rd, 2020. Dear students, today is a wonderful Wednesday to learn online. What did you hear? You saw it too? I totally saw it. The A? Right here. You see? Today is a wonderful Wednesday to learn online. First, in reading, we will ask questions about a book to help us learn. Was there one of the words that we're looking for in that sentence? Who said in? I heard somebody say in. Did you say in? You're right. We have in right here. First, in reading, we will ask questions about a book to help us learn. Nice job finding in. Let's continue. Next, in. Didn't we just find in? Did we find it again? Are you serious? Next, in writing, we will revise a story. We found another in. I'm so excited. What did you say? You mean we found A? We did need to find A. It's in that sentence? Okay, let's look. Next, in writing, we will revise a story. You're right. Great job. Kiss your brain if you found it. So that sentence had in and a. Then we will enjoy songs later in. Look, we got one more. In math, we will model and solve story problems. Love Miss Joyner. Did anybody see the word and? The last sentence, did anybody say that? Let's look. Later in math, we will model and, you're right, solve story problems. Nice job. Let's go ahead. And before we continue, one challenge word, one challenge. Here's the challenge. It's read. I'll give you a hint. It's in a word up there. We have the base word read. I'll give you a hint. An ending is added after read. Can anybody find it? Use our eyes. Let's look. Ready? Use your eyes. Are you looking? Find read. Did anybody find it? I didn't either. This part here, look, first in reading. Do you see that? That is a challenge. For the challenge, let's go ahead and box the challenge word read. It's in this word here, reading. Excellent job. All right, let's go ahead and continue, boys and girls. Great job so far.